7 steps to take after your child is assessed as autistic. 1. Understand the diagnosis. Rare autism. Start by educating yourself about autism. Understand the spectrum, common traits, and what they mean for your child's daily life. It will help you feel more in control and better equipped to support your child. Seek professional guidance. Schedule follow-up appointments with specialists like paediatricians, neurologists, and psychologists who can better understand your child's needs. 2. Build a support system. Share the diagnosis with close family members and trusted friends. Connect with other parents and guardians with children on the spectrum. Groups like the Autism group of parents provide a community where you can share experiences, ask questions, and find emotional support. 3. Create a care plan. Explore different therapies such as speech therapy, occupational therapy, and applied behavior analysis. These can help address specific developmental challenges your child may face. Work with professionals to set short-term and long-term goals for your child's development. These goals are beacons of hope. They can focus on communication, social skills, and independence, guiding you towards a brighter future for your child. 4. Communicate with educational collaboration. Meet with your child's teachers and administrators to discuss their needs and how the school can support them. If your child is eligible, consider creating an individualized education plan (IEP). Advocate for your child. Be your child's voice in educational settings and ensure they have access to necessary resources and accommodations. 5. Focus on strength. Celebrate wins. Every small achievement is a victory. Celebrate your child's strengths and progress, no matter how small they seem. This celebration is not just a moment, it's a testament to your child's resilience and your unwavering support, which fills you with pride and encouragement. Positive reinforcement. Use positive reinforcement to encourage desired behaviors and skills. This can help your child feel more confident and motivated. 6. Practice self-care. Take care of yourself. Caring for a child with autism can be demanding, so it's crucial to prioritize your well-being. Take breaks, seek support, and maintain your mental and physical health. Family balance. Ensure that the needs of other family members, including siblings, are also met. Balance is vital to maintaining a healthy and supportive family environment. 7. Plan for the future. Long-term planning. Start thinking about your child's future. This could include setting up a special needs trust, exploring future living arrangements, and considering vocational training opportunities. Continuous learning. Stay informed about the latest research and developments in autism care. This will help you adapt and provide the best support for your child as they grow.